Summer, can I ask you something? You've been working out regularly, right?
Yeah, almost every day. Why?
I really want to start getting fit. I feel tired all the time and I've gained some weight over the past few months. But I don't know where to begin.
I totally get that. Starting is the hardest part, but once you find a routine, it becomes easier.
Do you go to the gym or exercise at home?
I used to go to the gym, but after the lockdown, I started working out at home. I follow some YouTube channels, they have great beginner friendly videos.
That sounds less scary than going to a gym full of super fit people.
Exactly. You can start with simple things 15 to 20 minutes a day, even walking counts.
What about food? I know I eat a lot of junk chips, biscuits, fried snacks.
Yeah, food plays a huge role. You don't have to stop eating everything you like, but just try to eat more fresh food like fruits, vegetables, and more of protein.
Do you follow a strict diet?
Not really. I just try to eat balanced meals. I avoid sugar during the week, but I allow myself a treat on Sundays.
That's nice. I hate strict rules. I always give up when things feel too difficult.
Then don't go for big changes, just small steps. Drink more water, walk after dinner, cut one junk item each week. That's how I started.
Hmm. Maybe I can start with 15 minutes of stretching and no biscuits after dinner.
That's a perfect start. And if you want, I can send you a simple routine I used when I started.
That would be amazing. Also, how do you stay motivated?
Honestly, I didn't always feel like doing it, but I made it a habit. I tell myself just do 10 minutes, and once I started, I usually finish the whole workout.
I think I overthink everything. Maybe I just need to start without worrying so much.
Exactly. Start. Be kind to yourself and be consistent. You don't have to be perfect, just keep going.
Thanks, Summer. This really helps. I'll message you tonight after my first try.
Sure, I'll be waiting. Let's do this together.